Hello YouTube, it's me, Derpy Express here. I got on to tell all my subscribers that there is a new channel of me and my friends. I can show you real quick. Me and my friends have created a channel, and it's just we're just trying to do like a helpful guide of it's like a helpful Project Pokemon guide. Okay, I forgot to this is gonna suck so much. There. Right here, we created a new channel, mostly just for us to do gaming. Soggy Master Jaden, Robin Hood, 12355. I forgot I was still on Discord with him. But yeah, we are doing Project Pokemon videos, and then sometimes random, videos, 4 hours ago from when I'm uploading this video, I did a video on how to beat Aegis MK. Oh, I spelled that wrong. But yeah, and I just really wanted all my subscribers to subscribe to this channel. So like so yeah, because me and my friends were hoping to become famous Project Pokemon YouTubers someday. And this was what we came up with doing. But yeah, I really hope that all of you guys subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.